नीट का कट ऑफ गिर गया है 615 टू 630 से सीधा 530 के नियर. कम स्कोर, स्टिल MBBS सीट इज पॉसिबल. सो लेट्स ब्रेक डाउन द नंबर्स. All India quota snapshot. So general AIQ for 2025 is 615 to 630, down from the 2024 AIQ. पेपर टफ था. OBC, SC, ST सभी कैटेगरीज का कट ऑफ गिरा है. रिजल्ट्स मीनिंग गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस की फाइनल MBBS कट ऑफ्स भी नीचे जाएंगी. Expected government MBBS cutoff. Let me give you some expected. So category marks for 2025 for general category will be 530. For OBC category will be 524 or somewhere around that. EWS will be 522 to 523. SC and ST will be 440 to 450 and ST will be 410 to 420 and the disabled general category will be 210 around that. So the state quota insights. General seats in Odisha, Uttarakhand, MP. Students got MBBS at 500, 525, which is 100 marks below AIQ. OBCs, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu still want 530 plus, but Chhattisgarh, Himachal, Rajasthan giving seats at 480 and even 510. And for SCs, 400 and 450 marks enough in Karnataka and Assam, etc. And for STs, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Northeast region offering seats between 330 to 400. Domicile is mandatory for this, however. And fourth, let me give you some new trends boosting the seats today. So reserve migration. High scores are choosing private or abroad. And government seats open in states like Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, MP. And 12 new government colleges, meaning 1500 new seats. And states which were once ignored like Tripura, Manipur, Bihar, even Ladakh are now awarding seats at a lowest cutoff, especially for SC and ST. So the fast checklist to grab a seat will be rank map versus the state you hold domicile in. 2 is to fill both AIQ and state counselings for double chance. 3 is to shortlist new colleges like Datia in MP, Handwara in JK, Karavati in Lakshadweep. Then fourth will be to keep your documents ready like domicile, caste certificate, income proof. Verification window will be tight. स्कोर 530 हो या 350, स्ट्रैटेजी सही है तो सीट मिल सकती है. DM करो MBBS 2025 फॉर अ पर्सनलाइज्ड कट ऑफ मैप एंड ग्लो बियॉन्ड बॉर्डर्स, दिस टाइम इन इंडिया. लेट्स